Nuts and bolts. Nuts and bolts are commonly used to connect separate pieces. While the bolt is inserted to join the parts, nuts secure the bolt on one end. In general, these are used to join metal to wood. Following are a few common types of nuts and bolts. Hex nuts. Hex nuts, made from high-quality steel and available in different sizes, are commonly used in wood and metal projects. They have a six-sided head and can be easily tightened with a wrench. Castle nuts. Used for mechanical fastening, castle nuts have slots or notches on one end to enable the placing of pins, helping secure them in place. This makes it ideal for projects requiring low torque levels and a tight connection, as their removal requires removing the pins first. Weld nuts. Weld nuts, which have an internal thread with a slap or rounded head, are commonly used in industrial applications to secure components to difficult-to-reach surfaces. These nuts are welded into place, ensuring a permanent connection between wood and metal sheets. Hex bolts. Commonly used in machining and hardware industries, hex bolts have a hexagonal shape with internal threads, allowing them to be screwed into threaded holes. These are generally used for securing metal and wood connections. Carriage bolts. These bolts, used for wood joining, have square necks and convex metal heads. They also have internal threads, creating a self-locking and secure connection. These types of bolts don't require pre-drilled holes. Their flat head also makes them ideal for furniture construction and outdoor projects, providing high-quality results. Eye bolts. Eye bolts, which are used to attach a chain to any surface, have a circular ring and internal threads. Moreover, these high-tensile bolt grades have a smooth shank, enabling extra strength for joining metal to other materials. Types of fasteners and their application. Different types of fasteners play a vital role in maintaining equipment's functioning by holding machine parts in place against excess force, vibration, and pressure. Created by precision components manufacturers, these are used to join two or more objects mechanically in a permanent or non-permanent fashion. While permanent fasteners, like nails and rivets, are used for a permanent joint and can be only used once, non-permanent fasteners are designed for easy removal and reuse, and consist of bolts, pins, and screws. Both fasteners are widely used in various industries and for assembly of products. There are different types of fasteners, each with their purpose. Read on to learn more about different fastener types and the role of high-tensile fasteners. Different types of fasteners. Various high-tensile fastener manufacturers in India produce a variety of permanent and non-permanent fasteners. The most commonly used fasteners can be broadly categorized into screws fasteners. One of the most common types of fasteners, screws, are used for residential as well as industrial purposes. These fasteners have an external self-threading, enabling them to fit into components without tapping. Wood screws. These types of fasteners have a tapered head, enabling them to sink into the material. Therefore, they are used to join wood. Sheet metal screws. Having a structure similar to that of wood screws, sheet metal screws are made for attaching metal to materials like plastic and wood. Machine screws. These screws are thicker in size and have a high tensile strength, enabling their use in machinery and appliances. In addition to external threading, they also contain internal threads and have a cylindrical head. Moreover, machine screws can easily be inserted into pre-drilled holes. These fasteners are available in different lengths, sizes, and diameters, making them one of the most widely used and versatile types of fasteners. Socket screws. Used as permanent fasteners for sheet, wood, metal, and other materials, socket screws require an Allen key. These screws can be further divided into different types based on their head shapes, such as socket, flat, and button heads. These generally offer high-quality results and superior robustness compared to other mechanical fasteners. Tapping screws. Designed to be tapped directly into pre-drilled holes, tapping screws are designed with a pointed tip and threaded shank. These are, therefore, ideally used in metal sheets. Tapping screws provide high strength and resistance to shock and vibration, making them useful for automobile and construction projects. Washers. Washers also find applications in multiple industries. However, they are generally used with joints and nuts, helping prevent the loosening of components due to vibration and reducing friction. In addition, washers can help prevent leakage by isolating different components. Depending on their application, these can be made of plastic, metal, or rubber. Different types of washers include